So let's unlock the full transmit range on the VHF and UHF bands of the Yaesu FT5D, the so-called Mars mod. I was recently on a bike ride in the mountains with some folks who were using simple PMR radios. One guy got lost and I was the only one who could receive him, but I couldn't reply. Pretty dumb situation, so now I'm fixing what I should have done when I bought it. Before you start, make sure to back up all your channels as this process will reset the radio to factory settings. If you have a microSD card inserted, go to the menu, tap SD card, then Memory Channels, and select Write to SD. Confirm by pressing the menu button and tapping Yes. Once that's done, remove the battery and carefully pop off the rubber cap on the back of the radio. Inside you'll see a 0-ohm resistor that we need to remove. I'd normally use hot tweezers for this, but you can also do it carefully with a soldering iron that has a flat tip, like this one. The goal is to hit both ends of the resistor at the same time and gently lift it off the board. Set your soldering iron to the max temperature and carefully desolder the component. Now just remove the excess solder with a solder wick. Clean the area with alcohol and put the rubber cap back in place. Once you power up the radio, it'll be good to go. Next, restore your saved channels from the SD card. And that's it. You can now use the extended transmit frequencies on both the VHF and UHF bands. As you can see now, you can transmit on the PMR band to this little radio. I definitely recommend this mod, you never know when you might need it. In an emergency, it could make all the difference, even save a life, yours or someone else's. Also recommend this diamond antenna, it performs great for both transmit and receive. And here's how the radio looks in the official Yaesu soft vinyl case.